I guess I'm just going to give you a bit of an overview of what's expected of you guys today. For those that missed it, um, on Tuesday, we had prac purely based on the fact we only had like 10 students in class. And that's what the school wanted to do. So we combined all the year 8 classes like we did when we had the floods at the school. So I guess we are starting our new unit, which is, I guess, basically sex ed. It is called Sexuality Inclusion. We are going to work through our OneNote. As we can see, there are boxes for you to fill in. It relates to links. You're going to do a quiz to start off the lesson. You click this link, a quiz comes up. Let's click the link. Quiz comes up. You start the quiz. You answer the quiz. Blah, 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 blah. You've only got 10 questions. All right? It's going to relate to things that we're going to talk about throughout this unit. You're then going to answer these questions here. What you would like to know more about, what you found surprising, you found it difficult to answer questions about certain topics, what something you may not have known. Same as always, if it's not completed, you have a lunchtime with me. Second task, identify two trends in this data. We have done this on our cat, so what are the trends here? Look at what's going on here. If you need help, click the link. Figure 19, which is, these two are connected together. Figure 19, so each thing goes across. That's this one here. Explain why discussing these topics with a partner may be important. Why do we think discussing these things in this graph are important? There are 3 things here. I want you to pick 3 of these following and talk about it, why it is important to discuss this with a partner. All right. Obviously, when we are talking about a partner here, we are talking about an intimate relationship. We're not talking about a partner as in like a group project partner. We're talking about an intimate relationship. Figure 13, same thing. Think about the reasons given for the statements for sexting on the left. So these are the reasons people have sent a sext in their life. If you don't know what sexting is, it is sending a sexually explicit image of yourself to another person, which at your age is illegal. Okay, so we're going to talk about this throughout the unit, but I guess as much as it does occur, it is an illegal act until you are over the age of 18. And I don't really think even when you hit 18, it's a good idea to do anyway. We'll discuss that more in the future. You're going to type away here, blah, 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 blah. All right? Why you think people may give these statements on the left. Obviously, the more common it is, the bigger the circle is. So 64.8% of people may have sent a sext to someone to feel sexy. All right? There you go. That's what that graph is. Next one. This one is about contraception. Contraception are things that avoid pregnancy. So we've got a list of contraceptions here. The female use, the male use, trans and non-binary use, and then the total use of people that use these types of contraception. Once again, we're going to identify the trends about contraceptions and STIs. What is the most common contraception for males? What is the most common contraception for females? Then here, you have a reflection task. You're going to read through this link here. Blah, blah, blah. Look at this. Oh my God, not that much reading. You're going to click this. You're going to read this. You're going to click this. You're going to read this. Let's be honest here. You could read that in 5 minutes? Maybe 10? Let's say 10. Let's be generous. You got 10 minutes. You're then going to answer these questions. Obviously, not a lot to do. Unfortunately, I'm missing because I have a funeral, so I'm not in class. But I will be checking, I guess, your progress. If you finish, great. If not, you'll be joining me for a lunchtime on probably Tuesday. You can join me Tuesday lunchtime detention. So I'm sure no one here wants that, and I don't want to have to run a detention. So I guess get the work done. We're going to do some fun activities next time I come back, which is Tuesday anyway. So those that aren't complete this by Tuesday, I'll let you know in class. And at that point, you will be joining me at lunchtime. If you have any questions, obviously, send me a message on Teams. Let me know what's going on, so on and so forth. I'm I'm more than happy to help, even though I obviously am away. Does not mean I'm not able to be contacted. So if you've got any questions, let me know on Teams. Thank you. Enjoy your class. Go well. Be productive. Enjoy yourselves.